Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Battlefield REDSEC error. Please update your AMD Radeon driver. Detected AMD Radeon driver version is 25.10.1.9. The required driver version is 25.10.13.1 or later. So if you are getting this error in the game Battlefield REDSEC, then here follow these steps to fix this problem. The fix is to update your AMD graphic card driver to the latest version. So go to this AMD website, and once you are on this AMD website, scroll down and here enter your graphic card driver version. For example, I'm entering AMD Radeon RX 5700 XT. So you have to enter your version of AMD graphic card driver here and then click on search. Now if you have Windows 10 operating system, then expand Windows 10. If you have Windows 11 operating system, then expand Windows 11. And the latest version is 25.10.2. so you have to download and install the latest version. So click on download, and once this AMD graphic card driver exe file get downloaded, then you have to run this exe file, and then you have to follow the on-screen instruction to update your graphic card driver. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. This will fix the issue. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.